2024 has been a landmark year for artificial intelligence. AI, as we fondly call it, has captured global attention, from the groundbreaking innovations of OpenAI's ChatGPT to the massive influx of investments into new AI startups. In fact, according to Crunchbase, $35.5 billion has been poured into AI startups globally in just this year alone. Public companies listed on the US stock market have gained trillions in market value year to date. Some of the most notable names like Nvidia, Palantir, and Taiwan Semiconductors have seen their stock prices soar. Nvidia even briefly hit a staggering $3 trillion in market cap, overtaking giants like Apple and Microsoft before a slight pullback following its Q2 earnings. In today's episode of Stockerton, we'll be diving into the top 10 most important AI companies in the world right now and explaining why investors are still pouring money into them. Despite their sky-high valuations, some murmurs that this AI boom might be nearing its peak. Your time is valuable, so let's jump right in. From Wall Street to the Main Street and across the global financial markets, you are watching Stockerton, the Investors Channel. Number 7. Taiwan Semiconductor Manufacturing Company, TSMC, the backbone of AI hardware. Taiwan Semiconductor Manufacturing Company, or TSMC, with the ticker symbol TSM, is at the center of it all. TSMC is the world's largest contract chip maker, producing chips for companies like Apple, Nvidia, and AMD. It dominates the digital chip manufacturing market with a 60% market share and leads in advanced semiconductor manufacturing with over 80% of the cutting-edge technology. TSMC is at the forefront of AI innovation, using AI to enhance its chip manufacturing processes and collaborating with tech giants to produce chips optimized for AI workloads. Interestingly, TSMC has implemented AI algorithms that enhance defect detection rates by over 30%, and it has integrated AI in manufacturing processes to fine-tune operations and now lead in advanced packaging innovations. In 2023, TSMC generated $74.1 billion in revenue, with AI-related chips being a major growth driver. This year, TSMC's stock has surged nearly 70%, driven by strong demand for advanced 3nm and 5nm chips used in AI applications. In Q2 of 2024, TSMC reported a 40% increase in revenue, reaching $20.82 billion. The company's focus on high-performance computing, HPC, has been a key growth driver, contributing to over half of its revenue during this period. The company's continued investment in AI-related chips and high-performance computing is expected to keep it as a cornerstone of AI hardware well into the future. TSMC's strategic positioning in the semiconductor space is equally linked to its bear case. As the US and China continues to disagree on the status of Taiwan, TSMC is on the crosshairs of a diplomatic crisis that puts the company at a very advantageous position, but also a risk factor that makes the sell-side analysts cautious on how the company could maneuver and sustain its operations should there be a turn for the worse in the US-China relations, vis-a-vis Taiwan's contentious status. From Wall Street to the Main Street and across the global financial markets, you are watching Stockerton, the Investors Channel.